Listen and repeat.
English words starting with the letter Q. Quake. Quake. Qualify. Qualify. Qualification. Qualification. Qualified. Qualified. Qualifier. Qualifier. Qualitative. Qualitative. Quality. Quality. Quantitative. Quantitative. Quantum. Quantum. Quarrel. Quarrel. Quarter. Quarter. Quarterfinal. Quarterfinal. Quarterly. Quarterly. Queen. Queen. Query. Query. Questionable. Questionable. Questionnaire. Questionnaire. Q. Q. Quick. Quick. Quiet. Quiet. Quite. Quite. Quit. Quit. Quiz. Quiz. Quota. Quota. Quotation. Quotation. I have to study for the next quiz. I have to study for the next quiz. Einstein's quotes are so motivating. Einstein's quotes are so motivating. Do you have any question? Do you have any question? Please stand in the queue. Please stand in the queue. We need 500 people to fill in this questionnaire. We need 500 people to fill in this questionnaire. Everyone in the class should be quiet. Everyone in the class should be quiet. What qualifications do you have for this job? What qualifications do you have for this job? This fabric has poor quality. This fabric has poor quality. Be quick and get ready in 5 minutes. Be quick and get ready in 5 minutes. This job is very exhausting, I will quit for sure. This job is very exhausting, I will quit for sure. Do you know the name of the Queen of England? Do you know the name of the Queen of England? I don't usually agree with him, but I think he is quite right in this matter. I don't usually agree with him, but I think he is quite right in this matter.